All right, what's going on, guys? So I wanted to do a little update with you guys. As you can see here, I have a lot of junk. As I'm looking at the camera, like this is a lot of stuff. This is insane. So this is why I haven't put out any videos this week. My little studio here is in a mess, as you can see. Like I've been sleeping on that futon with all of that stuff on it. No joke. But yeah, so I do have a few new things coming out shortly. I just set up my MacBook back there, as you can see, and I have my PC over here. There's my PC. There's the Elgato. There's the PlayStation 3 and all that fun stuff over there. So I got everything all set up entertainment-wise in here, so that way I can do my tutorials and everything that I've been planning on doing for a while. But most importantly, I got my Mac up and running again, so that way I can start diving into that field, because we use Mac for some things and we use Windows for some things. So sometimes we even use Ubuntu, but Ubuntu is kind of like falling off the margin. The only thing it's good for is writing stuff in Java. But yeah, so just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update. This is what I'm looking at. Again, lot of stuff. Holy shit. So yeah, but I got a lot of things to go through and everything. Hopefully tonight I'll be done organizing all of this and have everything set up, so that way I can just start pumping out material for you guys, so that way you can follow along and do that. I have a Nintendo Wii. This is the Nintendo Wii. I got that I'm going to be working on, just simply because I want to cover it. It seems interesting. I want to see what I can do with it. I also have a Nintendo Switch that I picked up that I'm going to be working on the 4.0 exploits as well, and loading up the new emulators that just came out. So I'm going to load up the exploit, show you how to do that. I'm going to show you how to install your emulators. I'm going to show you how to install your files and do all of that fun stuff. And with the Mac, going to be sticking out with the FTP client for the setup with the PS Vita and everything, because people have been asking me about setting up FTP clients on Mac, and this is how we're going to do it. So I'll talk to you guys later. Enjoy the rest of the videos that are going to be coming out, and like I said, a lot of stuff. So that's it for now. I'll talk to you guys later, and don't forget to follow my videos, rate, comment, and subscribe, and I will have more material out as soon as possible, which is probably going to be in the next 8 hours. So talk to you guys later.